I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. So I want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. But before I get started, I also want to say, could y'all please make sure that you give this video and many others that I bring to you all a thumbs up so that this video can go into rotation. Here are the items that you are going to need for this how to make video. You're going to need yourself a dowel, and you can find this dowel at Walmart or walmart.com. Some 9-gauge aluminum wire. It has to be 55 inches long. You're going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. So let's go ahead and get started. Now today I'm coming to you all to show you how to make and create a bracelet using this 9-gauge aluminum wire, which you can find on Amazon.com. So basically what I'm doing, y'all, is I'm trying to just roll this up like this, because you're going to need about 55 inches, okay, of this wire to achieve the look that we're going to do today. And pretty much what I'm doing is, it's a lot. So I'm rolling it up like this so I can have a much better chance on not being poked in the eye or the face. What you see me doing is I am rolling this up to make it so much easier for me to do what I need to do, okay? Just like this. So basically, the very first thing that we want to do is you want to bend your wire like this. You want to turn this like this. You're going to bend your wire like this, okay? And then you're going to take your piece, your dowel, place it in the middle. And then you're going to, whoops, these keep getting caught. You're going to bring it down like this, okay? Just like this. All right, you gotta make it a little circle here. All right. Then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it just like this. So you're gonna have, this is what you're pretty much gonna have. All right, let's take it off so I want to show you. That's what you're gonna have, just like that. Okay. Now you can do this one or two ways. And you're gonna need a ruler, y'all. If I didn't mention it, you will need a ruler. So basically what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my piece on my dowel, and I'm just gonna straighten this out like this. Okay, just straighten it out. And then I'm gonna take my ruler and come over here because I wanna measure out about 7 inches. So I'm gonna come and measure out about 7. Actually, not that much. Okay. Now what I'm going to do next, once I measured it, but this is what I'm going to do to get an accurate measurement. I'm going to take it and mold it this way, like this. Okay, now your piece should look just like this. And I'm going to mold it this way. And then I'm going to place my wrist down inside of it. Okay, to just see where I need to go with this. Okay, so this is how it looks on my wrist. I got it placed down inside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my arm out. Okay, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now I'm going to start making my design for my bracelet. So I'm going to take this apart, and I'm going to see which side is longer than the other side. Okay, that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to straighten this out like this. Straighten it out on both sides. And then I just need to figure out which side is longer. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that it is, I think it's this side, y'all. Let me measure it and see. So we have this, and then we have that. Let me flip it and see. We have this, and then we have that. Okay, so they're pretty much the same size, y'all. So it doesn't really matter because they're pretty much the same size. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start, I'm going to come here and just take my wire and make a loop like this. Okay, once I start the loop, I'm just going to continue to wrap it just like this. Okay, continue to wrap it, and I'm going to come pretty much all the way down like this. Just wrap it all the way down. So I'm coming down, okay? Continue wrapping just like this. And you want to come all the way down and continue to wrap. All right, and that's pretty much what you're going to continue to wrap this. All right, just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and take and put my wrist back in here to see how this fits. Okay, so this is what I'm getting right now. All right, so I'm going to take my wrist back out, and then I'm going to take this other piece right here, and I'm going to wrap this piece around this piece right here. All right, so I'm going to take it and wrap it around, and then I'm going to make a design. So I'm going to make some loops just like this. So we are making loops, okay? And you can make your loops as big or as small as you see fit. It is completely up to you what you choose to do. And I'm gonna take and just snip this off just like that. Okay, so this is pretty much what our bracelet is looking like. And I'm going to continue to wrap. All right, making my loops. Like I said, you can make them big or small. It's completely up to you. You know, how you see fit. All right, so this is what you're going to have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to bring this piece over top like this. I'm going to take this remaining piece. I want to take it through from the bottom, push it through here like this. And then I'm going to take my pliers and come here and bring it like this. Don't worry about if it act up, because I'm going to fix all of that, okay? Right there. And then I'm going to just snip that out, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and straighten that out. Straighten all that out, okay? And that's why I say I like working with aluminum wire, because it's forgiving. So here is your bracelet. This is what your bracelet is going to look like. Okay, this is it. It may not be perfect, but it's different. And guess what? Won't nobody else have it. So you can make the adjustments. You can make it however you want it to be. But this is it. This is the back of it. This is the top. This is it. All right. So I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. Like I said, just like I said, the one thing about aluminum wire is forgiving. This bracelet will not tarnish. You can have this forever. If you are a person and you take really good care of your jewelry, you can have this bracelet forever, okay? Forever, y'all. Ever, ever, ever. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.